Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV washes and waxes on Amazon. RV maintenance is something that owners of this type of vehicle should not forget. Failure to keep campers in check may result in the appearance of certain issues, such as the dulling of painted graphics or deterioration of the vehicle's surface durability. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Chemical Guys Wash and Wax. This is a highly regarded RV wash and wax product that has gained a reputation for its exceptional cleaning and protective capabilities. Designed specifically for recreational vehicles, RVs, this cutting-edge solution boasts advanced brightening technology and a unique formula that effectively cleans and restores the exterior of RVs, leaving them with a brilliant shine. Chemical Guys boasts an impressive cleaning power that effortlessly eliminates dirt, grime, and road film from the RV's exterior. The formula is specifically formulated to remove tough stains and contaminants, ensuring a thorough and deep clean. What we like about it: powerful cleaning action effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and road film. Safe and pH-balanced formula suitable for all types of RV surfaces. Versatile usage with both hand washing and pressure washer applications. What we don't like about it: some users may find the scent of the product to be too strong. Number 2. Aero Cosmetics Car Wash Kit. Tired of going back and forth to the store to buy different RV cleaning and maintenance products? If so, this complete car wash kit might be the best thing to add to a travel trailer maintenance kit. Unlike other brands that only offer one solution, Aero Cosmetics provides RV owners with a complete set of items to clean and protect their vehicles. Unboxing this package gave me a smile on my face as I uncovered the items inside. It contains a gallon of the cleaning and waxing solution, a 16 ounces spray bottle, 4 microfiber towels, a how-to-use guide and a product guide. What we like about it: it has all the necessary items, such as a spray bottle and microfiber towels. Provides a clean, UV protective coating. Usable on different marine and recreational vehicles. 100% money-back guarantee from the manufacturer. What we don't like about it: does not get rid of oxidation and scratches. Number 3. Megier's Marine Wax. This wax is easy to use, efficiently cleans, and provides extra protection to camper surfaces, the likes of which many other products, especially low-quality ones, cannot compete with. Although it does not take long for me to complete these 3 steps, I still have to remove the residues left behind by this product. It does not take long for me to remove these byproducts, but I would prefer if I did not have to do it in the first place. What we like about it: only requires a few steps to clean, shine, and protect RV surfaces. Protects painted graphics against fading from long-term sun exposure. Restores the color of RV graphics. Usable either by hand or with a polisher. What we don't like about it: might leave residues. Number 4. Thetford RV Wash and Wax. A premium finish comes in a reasonably priced RV wash and wax with this product. This solution does not have an expensive price tag. Aside from its reasonable cost, Thetford's Wash and Wax is quite the versatile formula to clean and protect different vehicles. You can use it on a motorhome, snowmobile, motorcycle, boat, or ATV, with no significant signs of damage if any exist. What we like about it: reasonably priced RV wash and wax. Usable on different vehicles, such as motorhomes, snowmobiles, and ATVs. Removes filthy substances, such as dirt, dried bugs, and road film. Coats surface with an anti-static, non-oily water-resistant film. Prevents color fading. Eco-friendly, biodegradable, and safe to use over RV diesels and graphics. What we don't like about it: might need more effort to remove black streaks with this product. Number 5. 3M Marine Clean and Shine Wax. This product restores and maintains the luster and sheen of gel coat surfaces. It is also quite versatile, as I can use it on fiberglass marine and recreational vehicles without seeing signs of significant harm if there are any. What we like about it: usable on different surfaces, including gel coat and fiberglass. Can be used on painted graphics. What we don't like about it: might have difficulty removing heavy oxidation. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.